Hi everyone, welcome back to another week in my life. We started off the summer by getting a much needed haircut.
You want to exit that way?
Show me your hair.
So beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow.
Show me. Good night.
Very nice. Do a little. Wow. Yes.
After the haircut, we went to the food court for a quick lunch. In the beginning. Why you like zooming on my? For lunch, he got the gaspa beef platter and I went with a poke bowl. After that, we went to Soon Coffee to grab one of our favorite drink recently, which is the green tea latte. I'm gonna try some jackets and the Define jacket in green. I have in black and pink, but I want to try a new color. It looks very nice. Later that night, my boyfriend had a soccer match, so I just tagged along and cheered him on. This day, my siblings and I went to the Lynn Valley Creek for a cold dip. It was super hot that day and the cold water was exactly what we needed. Not to mention, it's my brother's first time visiting this creek.
Kita mo.
The next day, we went to downtown to just chill by the bay and enjoy the sun. After that, we stopped by a cafe on the way that we haven't been, and the cafe was very aesthetic. We brought our laptop and stayed for a little bit. And on our way back home, we stumbled upon a farmer's market nearby. I was surprised to see a Bali food truck serving Indonesian food, which reminded me of home. The following day, we went to check out the library near our place. I honestly wondered why we don't go here more often, cause it felt so peaceful and calming. After that, we went to IKEA for a quick return. And since we were already there, we had lunch before heading straight to my siblings' place. We usually try to hang out with my siblings once a week, especially they live pretty far from us. So this day we played croquet together for the first time. It was such a fun experience. After the game, we went to grab some ice cream. So which trail do you want to do? We tried the Sasamat Lake Trail, and the trail loops around the lake. It has such a beautiful view, and it was just a perfect way to recharge before the new week starts.
Work hard towards growing my function. So pretty nice. Yeah, I see it too.
Wow.
Let me zoom in.
The hike was pretty moderate, but with the beach view, we didn't feel tired at all.
If you close your eyes and imagine where you are, what you're doing in 5 years from now, and you think, oh, that's the life I want, what would it be?
Traveling and making videos while traveling.
Wow.
Doggy! To wrap up the week, I went to the beach with my siblings. Me and my sister just hung out and chilled by the beach while the boys went into the water. And later they played some games and tossed some frisbee while we just ate and ate and ate some snakes. After our long beach day, we made a quick stop at Krispy Kreme for some donuts to recharge. Krispy Kreme, we got donuts. Ta-da! Glazed donuts, the best kind. Apple fritters, because he likes apple fritter. A tiramisu, raspberry filled, cinnamon apple, and powdered sugar. Oh my god, it's us. And lastly, to end this vlog, we also went to the Indonesian festival in downtown to celebrate Indonesian Independence Day.
2025 begin!
That is all for this video. See you in the next one. Cheers!